Why does your scanner show the P0034 engine code? What does it mean? P0034 is a diagnostic trouble code for turbocharger or supercharger bypass valve A control circuit low. It indicates the PCM has detected a problem with the bypass valve or its control circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty turbocharger or supercharger bypass valve. Circuit issues. PCM issues. Boost pressure issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Saab, Pontiac, GM Motors, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.